Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Eyes Open 3, Unit 2, Lesson 12, A Balancing Act.
Welcome back to Eyes Open 3, designed especially for Grade 9. CLIL, page 116, Unit 2, PE, which stands for Physical Education. Avoiding Sports Injuries, Section 1. Match the body parts to the words in the box. At this point, pause the video until you have labeled the picture and resume for your corrections. Corrections. Number 1. That is the shoulder. Number 2. Muscles. Number 3. Joints. Number 4. Ligaments. Number 5. Knee. Number 6. Ankle. Section 2. Complete the introduction, giving advice on avoiding sports injuries with words from Exercise 1. Let's take a listen and fill in Exercise 2.
CD 1, Track 52. Listen and check. Playing sports and taking exercise can be fun and can help you stay healthy, but anyone can get injured. Sports injuries can affect all parts of the body, but most injuries affect joints, ligaments, and muscles. Certain types of sport can affect different parts of the body. Tennis players often have shoulder problems, for example, and people who go jogging can have problems with knees and ankles.
Now, Section 4. Complete the advice with the words in the box. Then listen and check.
CD 1, Track 53. Listen and check.
We can avoid most problems by following these simple guidelines. 1. Prepare properly for sport. Warm-up exercises before doing sport increase the blood flow to the muscles and make them more flexible. 2. Cooling down is important too. It stops you feeling stiff the next day. 3. Get the right equipment. Using the wrong type of sports shoes or a tennis racket of the wrong weight can cause problems. 4. Be careful with technique and posture. Talking to experienced sports people about this can help you avoid unnecessary injuries. 5. If you feel pain during exercise, it's a sign that there's a problem, so stop. 6. Don't start doing sport again too soon after an injury. Wait for the pain to go first. Doing sport too soon after an injury can make it worse.
Now your turn, Section 5. Choose a sport, make a leaflet explaining how to avoid injury in a sport. If you don't want to do a leaflet, do a poster explaining how to avoid injury in a sport. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the video Mountain Rescue provided to you by Discovery Education by Cambridge Press. Learn about helping someone. What does Bear Grylls do first? Why doesn't his mobile phone work? How does Bear pull Jessie up the mountain?
Mountain Rescue.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.